Hi, I'm Amarnath, and I recently completed a course in AWS and DevOps in Qtree technologies. And I had a hands-on experience in AWS services and DevOps services, whereas I worked in a project in website hosting using AWS services and Terraform as a IAC tool.
And in website, there are the HTML files and the style CSS for the project. And in the main.tf, this is my main.tf file. In this program, we have a Terraform version and a provider block as a AWS provider block. And this is our bucket configuration. This is our bucket policy for S3 bucket in AWS. Terraform, we need to initialize our plugins. And then Terraform plan. Then Terraform apply. Terraform apply will deploy our infrastructure. This is my project based on AWS services like S3, EC2, and VPC and IAM hosts. Start and sign up, close process. For example, how process. This is enroll node. So the process we are using. This is our enrollment form.